This is what I learned. The enemy might celebrate my fall, but God's loving kindness is preparing my restoration. I was dropped June 28th, 2009 at UMC Hospital at the burn unit. The biggest fall of my life, where a car blew up. I was burning up 80% of my body, fourth and third degree burns. I went from original to your boy now being extra crispy. I lost my legs, mobility in my hands. I didn't choose that. Check this out, guys. You know what's crazy? Is that I didn't know I was at the hospital. I didn't know that I was burnt up. I didn't know that I was in a car explosion. I didn't know this. All I remember that day is being broken, being without purpose, the weight of sin in my life, getting into my friend's car, my coworker, putting my seatbelt on, reclining the chair back, and remember falling asleep. 90 days later, I wake up from a coma. God's kindness wakes me up. And the reality is, I'm crippled. It's my biggest fall. I didn't ask for this. I didn't choose this. I wanted to go home and go to sleep. Life will drop you. The enemy was celebrating my fall, but God was preparing his restoration. The enemy wants you to believe what happened is going to disqualify you, but God has something else to say.